So pretty much the old lip is gone because my good friend Memito was driving it, and it just came off. But look, the new one that we want put in the car. I don't know if you guys have seen the video, but this one right here I got it off eBay too, and it's pretty much for it's universal for any car. So pretty much they send you everything. If you're trying to see how to put this, then you want to see on the car too. Just pretty much like this. Just put the lip, this little holes right here, just so you can screw the little screws that they send you, so you can hold the lip in place. So right here you gotta put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then for the side ones, which I don't really know right now if it's actually going to fit. I mean, if it's the right size. If not, I'm gonna make it work. I can adjust it. This one right here, so like this. So one of the screws. Inside. Screw it in. Well, for all of you guys that don't know, there's universal lips. You don't really need another person, like fabricating a lip for you. I mean, you do because the original ones. But if you want an aggressive look, something else that you can add to your car. These are pretty cool. They're very, affordable to get. Look, I'm gonna pause the video a little bit. I'm gonna put the other part, all the rest of the screws, and then I'm gonna see if we can fit it in the car. Okay, now as you can see, guys, this is a good way, to measure, what you need to do to the lip, to make it fit. So pretty much, it's not level right now. So if we put it at level, look, on this side straight, but look at this side right here. There's a whole chunk right there that we gotta fix. So pretty much, I got 6 inches to fit. Which probably, like on this one, so I'm just gonna like cut 3 inches, and just make it, I gotta fabricate the lip, like just to see how I'm gonna fit it. And then, we see, how it looks at the end. So pretty much we just gotta get rid of 3 inch for right now. So I'm gonna say my 3 inch shot right there. I know this cut is not gonna be good, but there's a purpose why I cut it like that. I should be 3 inches right there. And let's hope, that it's gonna work. Right here, you see, from right here, I kind of have space, just like to move it around. This is actually what I need. I just need to be able to move it. So as long as I can keep this right here, so I cut one little bit more. Pause a little bit. Look, so once you have once you have cut the pieces, which there's not really a size, to it, I decided, to like leave this much gap right here because I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna just like try to, like refinish, like the surface right here, so it won't look raggedy. And then after this, I'm gonna paint it, the same color, and we won't see any scratches. So I'm gonna show it to you, once I put it all back together. No, before I paint it, I'm gonna show it to you. So pretty much so far, this is how the lip is looking. I cut on those ends right there where I put the 2 screws, just to kind of like follow the lip over there, all the way down there. But I still gotta put more screws. As you can see right here, put this type, and on the other end there's a nut, holding them. This one I still gotta like grind it. So pretty much just to make this little lip, these were all the tools, that were needed for the job. The drain chaser. So I'm just gonna finish this one, put it in the car. As you can see down there, I kind of like messed up on that end. On this one right here, kind of like, like did it more, like the way it's supposed to like look. I still gotta make more adjustments, but the lip itself, is solid. It just requires some cuts. Let me finish this thing, then I'll show you the end result. So that's how the car looks after a whole day of working on the lip. I still haven't added the red piece on the car. Well, I'm gonna show you. I'm a lip car. Like, I like the splitter. No, it's not a lip, it's a splitter. Actually I like it. It's not okay to hate because I like it. So who cares what you think, Nah, but it's just pretty cool. Let me close the hood. There's the badge. Here's this. I'll put it all the way up. So I'm just gonna add this piece. I mean, it just attaches down here, and then if you just wanna secure it, like, hold on, give me 1 second. So that's how it looks. You put the front red splitter, something. I don't know what is it called, but I think it's a splitter extension, something like that. Look, I'm gonna give you a shot from the top. Oops. I like it. I don't know what you think about it. I mean, what you guys think about it. Just let me know in the comments, Pretty much how the lip looks. If you like it, I'm gonna leave a link, on the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.